Here's how to change your Facebook page name on a computer. So go ahead, open your Facebook application or use a web browser and go to facebook.com, log into your account and switch your profile to your Facebook page. Once you have been switched, go ahead, tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. From the menu that appears in the left-hand side of the screen, scroll down and tap on Page Setup, that is between Stories and Reels under Audience and Visibility. Go ahead, tap on that. Now then tap on Name, which is in the top of the screen. Select Name again or the edit icon. Remove the previous name and enter a new one that you want to set. If you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. You can also add others' name by tapping on this Add Other Names option and add your nicknames or any other name that you want to prefer. Then tap on Review Change option, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can change your Facebook page name. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.